You have all the power to empower you. You have all the power to enrich you. You don't need anything from anywhere outside. You don't need anybody for that. You don't need any material for that. What you need is your own self you need. But that is a very difficult thing. I can get anything, but not my own self. I have the money to buy, I can buy anything, but this, my own self, sorry, it says very sorry. You cannot buy me like this. That's why our Gurudev used to say, first anugraha is swa anugraha. Grace from your own self. Your whole being has to grace you completely. Grace you completely. But that grace is not there. Always racing. I have to sit up and meditate. I can't sit, so I have to push. Because your total being has not accepted it completely. If it accepts it completely, then there is no race, only grace. For example, going to a movie, the whole being accepts it, right? Accepts it. So you go and then no vehicle, you walk, and then you are not getting the ticket, but somehow black ticket, because the whole being has accepted it totally. And then while coming back, you are not getting the vehicle, 3-4 kilometers you have to walk, you are hungry, but still you are enjoying. And when you come back and when you sleep with a great sense of joy. Please see this. Instead of movie, if I call you, please come, I'll teach you something. Oh, I have to go. Guruji has called me. And if anywhere something goes wrong, oh my God, vehicle is not working. How can I go? But I have to go. See? So you come to me with an exhausted human being. So where is the energy to learn? Where is the energy to experience it? And you go back with the same, Abba, my God, 2 hours, Guruji, my God. You go back with a great exhausted feeling, and then you take the remote, switch on your serial, Abba, now I am relaxing. See? See the whole process, you watch it. Because you have graced the TV, TV is gracing you. And this, what? So when your whole being accepts completely, that is the grace. And once when you experience that grace, then this becomes like a gravity. And it pulls the another grace towards you. That is Guru. And Guru is going to pull another grace towards you, Shastra. And Shastra pulls another grace towards you, Devata. Swa anugraha, Guru anugraha, Shastra anugraha, Daiva anugraha. So, Deva is not going to come first. So friends, meditation is a wonderful journey. Journey of your own self, journey of your own life, journey in your own self. That is the joy. Journey of your own self, journey in your own self. Guruji, there is something wrong with you. You are going to have a beautiful journey in your own self. But now the problem is, roads are not highways, potholes, everywhere, what is that? Metro work is going on, all types of problems, on top rain. You don't enjoy the driving. If it is the highway, 140 kilometers, right? You don't feel the driving. You don't feel the driving. But here, you don't feel like driving. Now, who has to clean the roads and set the roads for the journey? Who has to do that? You only have to do that. Central government is not going to work for you. Inside you have to, because they don't have the grants to do that. You only have to do it. You only have to work for it. So, tajjapaha tadartha bhavanam. I am concluding it. Tajjapaha tadartha bhavanam. From now onwards, not only japa, whatever you do, whatever task you take up, whatever activity you take up, do with this kind of feeling, with the meaning, with the feeling, with the enthusiasm, whatever you do. Whatever you do. Going out for walk, do with enthusiasm. Do something, do. I have to go to profession, do it with enthusiasm. Let enthusiasm be the vehicle. So that then you start strengthening that enthusiasm. I enjoy this lecture and everything, every time the new things come out, because I enjoy that enthusiasm, that's all. I don't know the contents, let me tell you. I don't know the contents. I will not be knowing that. Even now I don't know the content, what is coming out. But there is enthusiasm. Enthusiasm to share, for that I prepare. I do meditation before coming. I watch myself. I receive the grace from my own self. And then I do it. I don't do it just in haphazard way. Okay, I have to go, my karma, I have to talk, my karma. No, I don't. Every minute I enjoy. To go out for walk, I enjoy. To go to somebody's house to have breakfast, I enjoy. I don't see the contents, what preparation they have made. Is it tasty or not? I don't even look at that. I see only the love that is there. And that love fills me everything. That's why it does not strain me. And when I go back, when I get into my room, my meditation takes a beautiful form. Because I gather. So friends, sadhana is 24 hours of maintaining the enthusiasm, sharing that enthusiasm, and rejoicing in that enthusiasm without not worrying about the contents of the enthusiasm. I am making the statement very clearly. If you always worry about the content, finished, dead, gone. So always be fresh. I don't know, but let me enjoy. Let me enjoy. Develop that. Then you are always in a spontaneous mood. Very spontaneous. You are not structured. always spontaneous, always creativity, and you enjoy that thoroughly. This is the Mrityunjaya Shakti. Lord Mrityunjaya bless you this power to all of you.